Good morning, guys, and welcome to the episode number 30. Here we are on the top of the building, putting the last slab on the higher roof. As we mentioned before, we were doing the parapet last weeks and putting all over the tie beams on the parapet, and now we are doing the last pouring on the higher roof. You can see here we are already finishing the envelope for the building, and as I showed you last week, we also start installing the windows. Also, as you can see here, we already start with the layout of the walls inside and start doing all the climbing rope that we're gonna keep continuing to the upper roof. Here we have all the windows for the curtain wall, and we're gonna start installing next. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more upgrades on how we build the 5-story building. Thanks for watching.